How to channel.
Don't forget subscribe.
If you eat an avocado every day for months, that what will happen to your body? The miracle of avocado. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I will share with you an information of amazing fruit called avocado. One, it reduces the risk of heart attack and stroke. 2, it helps loosen weight. According to a study published in the Nutritional Journal, 1/2 avocado with lunch can be a great help for overweight individuals. 3, reduces cholesterol level. Statistically speaking, 1 in 3 Americans adults suffer from problems related to high cholesterol level, which only doubles the risk of cardiovascular diseases. However, there are natural ways to lower high cholesterol levels. Four, studies have shown that regular consumption of avocado improves bone health. Avocados are rich in vitamin K, folate, copper, and numerous other nutrients. When regularly consumed, avocados help in the building and maintenance of strong bones. Oh, finally! I hope this video helped you too. Please share this video with your friends and family, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell icon to avoid miss incoming videos.
Thank you for watching.
Don't forget subscribe.